So at the end of the second day of the recent test match between world test champions South Africa and lowly ranked Zimbabwe, South Africa got to 625 for 5 declared. Standing captain Wiaan Mulder was on 367 not out, just 33 runs short of Brian Lara's world test runs batting record of 400 not out. Mulder then explained that Lara, the legend, deserved to keep that prestigious record, and his decision was made out of respect for the Trinidadian great. Now, first of all, that is foolishness. This is the ultimate record in batsmanship we're talking about. Mulder will never get this opportunity again. And remember, this was day 2 of the test match. Time was not an issue. And if this was all about respect for Brian Lara, why not make 399 or even equal the 400 and then declare? As a West Indian and a big fan of Brian Lara, I am of course happy that this particular South African, Wiaan Mulder, is a madman in clean clothes.